Welcome back. Chuck here at Garden Spot Acres. Thanks for coming along today. Video 7 in our Playhouse build. Let's see where we ended off the other day when it rained. I've been working a little bit in between the rain showers, but let's see what we got done and we'll see where we're heading. Here we have our nailers put in here. All the way around here. We got some diagonal bracing put in. And I just broke that up into two pieces, from the corner down to here. Then from here down to the plate down here. Of course, we had our diagonal bracing in on our long walls before. And I also put a piece of diagonal bracing in from the top plate down to the bottom here. Okay. What are we doing now? We're going to start putting that deck on our loft floor. And our deck is 7 feet wide, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a bunch of these boards 7 feet. And we'll get putting that deck on. Okay, we got a piece cut here to start us. I had a scrap piece of the pine. I just went ahead and cut it to length, 7 feet. It's already got a flat edge on it over here so I can start. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in and square it up to the other side and go from there. All right, I'm gonna line that up. Let's see here. I'm gonna line it up with the edge of this one. So I'm gonna go 117 and a quarter. 117 and a quarter. I'm only going to screw it in the end here, right here in this corner. I don't want to tighten that down. Don't ever tighten these sides down because your next one's going to go in and it'll be too tight. Okay, gives you a little play there to see that. That one can go there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put a piece on here now just so I can butt these up against it. And that way I don't have to keep looking down here. There we go. Sometimes you just give in and go back to the shop and get the plate clamp. And you don't know if you're causing more trouble than it's worth to tighten these up like this, because you don't know if it's the board that's crooked or this board here that had a bow in it, or it was wider in one spot. You know, it could have been wider down here. That one could be wide down in this right hand one. That could be wide down that end. Like I can see right where it's really tight right there by the knots. So more than likely it does have some type of problem right there. But I'll put this in here, and then the next one's going to tell the story. All right, let me grab some more boards and I'll put a few more in and I'll be back with you somewhere over in that area over there. Okay, on our last board here for the loft floor, and I need it looks like 7 1/4. That's all the way to here. So that's from the groove edge. 7 1/4. And of course 7 feet long. I'll go cut that. We'll come back here and get that put in. totally out. Yep. Okay, you can take a look at the floor. Now when I get close to the edge over here, where the trusses go in, you can see where the trusses are going to go here. There and there. There in the end. The end I'm not worried about. But these three, I have to notch out my floor. And by notching out my floor, it also helps me hold the truss in place by myself. It gives the truss a little inset right here that it has to fall into. And that's one of the little tricks of doing these by yourself. So, same thing on this side. Hey, thanks for coming along today. We got the floor on. That was my goal for today. Between rain showers anyways. Right now you can see another one coming in here. So a little bit at a time, but we're making it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. And on the next video I'm gonna start putting siding on the building, and then after the siding I'll put my trusses up. This way I can throw tarps over this thing right now and keep everything dry. And that way, if I got to get a couple good days to put my trusses on, and then put my boards on the trusses, because underneath the board is finished. In other words, I'm using my boards for my trusses for my roofing that are actually going to be the loft ceiling. So I don't want to get everything all water stained. So I'm going to have a couple straight good days to do that, and I'm looking at that later in the week. But I can put my siding on anytime. Right, so we see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.